This video tutorial is about getting rid of the new adware that is called GreatestZone. There is nothing greatest in it, and there is nothing even great. What this adware does is just messing your screen with many intrusive advertisements. This adware is from the adload family, and it attacks many Mac computers these days. GreatestZone adware may be integrated with many free applications. So if you have found its presence on your system, it is time to get rid of it. Right-click on it on your Finder and move it to the trash. If you see anything else that is suspicious, get rid of it. I recommend you to additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner antivirus can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install it, and start researching this system. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.